Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a Monday.com work management tutorial for beginners. Now this video will have everything you need to get started with Monday.com and how you can use it for work management. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the Monday.com dashboard after signing up for an account or a free trial. You can just type Monday.com on your browser and you should be able to see their website. But since I'm already logged in right now, then it immediately takes us to their work management landing page. But basically, again, just type that in and then you should see it on your Google results. Now, first up, Monday.com is a work management platform designed to organize tasks, projects, and workflows. It's highly customizable, making it suitable for individuals, teams, and businesses. So for starters, our key components here are the boards, which are the main workspaces for tasks and projects. We have the groups for sections on a board to organize items, for example, to do, in progress, or done. And then we have the items, which are the tasks or deliverables within groups. And then the columns, which are the attributes of each item, whether that's status, due date, or priority. And then we have the views, which showcases the ways to display data, for example, Kanban, calendar, or timeline, which we have right here. All right, so when setting up your account, you just need to input your details, your email, and then your password, and then you're going to have to choose a template. So Monday.com sets you up with a pre-designed template for your project, such as project management or marketing plan. And then from there, you can also start with a blank board to customize on your own if you prefer that. Then they're also going to ask a few other prompts, so just follow along and then make sure to fill in or answer as accurately as with your business needs. So for starters, we're going to be proceeding with their guided workflow here. You can see that since we went with a free trial, we have this assistance on the bottom right. So here you can create a status label for better visibility, where you can easily see where your tasks stand by customizing any status label or creating your own. And then you can assign a task owner for effective teamwork right here. Invite and assign team members to better define ownership and responsibilities. And then you can duplicate an item. You save or to save you time. You can make a copy of one or more items to plan and execute all your work faster. So right here, and then you have the following options to choose from, whatever you want to do with the items. You can duplicate them, export them, archive or delete them, move to, or apps. And then you can add sub items to break down bigger items. So right here, just click on the particular item so that you can collapse them and then add a sub item if you'd like. This allows you to simplify more complex items to better understand what's needed for completion. And then that's basically what we have for their quick guide. All right, so that's what we have on our dashboard. Again, you have the task here, the owner, the status, due date, priority, notes, budget, files, timeline, and last updated. These things you can freely edit. Again, I just started with these columns because I chose this on the prompt when I was signing up for an account. You can opt not to include some of them. Here, just click on the three dots and then you can delete them. You can also add a description. So just feel free to edit the dashboard to your liking. But we're going to try to start with adding a new board. So I believe this allows us to add a new board. So from here, the plus icon, we can add a new project, but this is locked behind their premium subscription. So let's try to check their offer. So this feature is part of the enterprise plan. Reach out to our customer success team for more information. So if you want to skip to the pro plan, then feel free to do that by reaching out to their customer success team. But here, again, same goes with portfolio. You need to be on the pro plan. But for the dashboard, or board rather, we can just start here with either a new board or with a template. So I'm going to try to go with a template here. And then you're free to choose which template you'd like to use. So you have a bunch of options here that are mostly tailored for HR services. This is because the nature of my account was based on HR services. That's the option I selected a while ago. This will differ depending on what you answer on the sign-up prompt. Then just choose your template. So this is going to be the preview of our board. I'm going to go ahead and click on use template. And we're going to let monday.com set it up for us right here. All right, so we have the employee onboarding board right here, and then you can freely edit it. You can add groups, add items, and then add columns if you'd like. So here's the entire view. You can add a new item by clicking here, or just straight up click this shadowed add item button right below the option, or right below the list. And then feel free to just edit the details you need to edit per section of the board. Now let's check what else we have on our left-hand side. So this is the main workspace. And again, if you want to add more, you can add a document as well. You can add a full-on dashboard, a form, folder, some apps. You can also import data in the following options from Excel, CSV, Google Sheets, Asana, Trello. And then there's the template center if you want to check that out. But here we're going to try to explore the app marketplace just so we can see what options we have for integrations. So we have an extensive list right here. It's an entire marketplace, and it's also categorized on the left-hand side. So feel free to utilize these to better your business needs when using monday.com. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.